Hey DERMagic, you're in Amazon, but are you the friend they click or the one they skip? I came across your product listing, the DERMagic Skin Rescue Lotion, and I wanted to take a closer look. But first, congrats on your 4.3 star rating on Amazon. I know how competitive this category is, so seeing this was a job well done. My name is Jewel, a business development representative for my Amazon guy, and I just wanted to share a few ideas that your team might want to explore for improvement. So in this video, I'll be sharing tips on improving your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about traffic, and what drives traffic to your listing comes down to your keywords. Now, looking at your distribution here, I can see you're organically indexing for 478, and this gets you free exposure, but there's still hundreds of additional keywords that you can index for. So you can check out this word cloud right here, as these are the most important keywords for your listing. Also, you're not running ads, and this could mean you're leaving money on the table because paid traffic is actually the fastest way to grow sales, and this can be done profitably if you know what keywords to target. To maximize your reach, we typically recommend a golden ratio of 1 to 2. That is, for every 2 organics, we aim to have 1 paid keyword for better traffic and conversion. Down here, you will find the highest search keywords in your category sorted by search volumes. Right now, we are looking at the biggest traffic opportunities. And as you see, you're already ranking organically for a lot of keywords here, which is great because that means you're targeting the right terms that shoppers actually search for. There are keywords that you are on page one, like dog lotion for dry, itchy skin. 1700, you're ranking there at 39, as well as dog lotion with 2800 searches, you're ranking at 40. But if you take a look at dog hotspot treatment, 4,000 searches, in dog skin irritation treatment with 3,000, you're in triple digits. And that means your product is very deep in the search results. So, people still have to go through hundreds of listings before they can find you. The good news, we can help you push these rankings up, ideally into single digits, because that's where most buyers click and sales happen. Now, I want to show you how big your category is on Amazon, and just in the top 50 listings on the keyword phrase dog lotion for dry, itchy skin alone, there is $8.6 million in monthly revenue, and the top sellers are getting 151 grand on average. And I see that there's still plenty of market share that you can tap into. So for this ASIN, you were able to sell 111 units, generating $4,000, which is still not getting your fair share here. So imagine your brand getting as much as the average. Now we can help you grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click-through rates. Now let's take a look at one of the brands. This is from Natural Dog Company, but this is not to compare products at all. I know there's a huge difference when it comes to the product itself. This is a balm. Price-wise, you guys are at a level field. Maybe the key ingredients are not the same, but being in the same category, I think their keyword data still shows where the opportunities are for your product. So this brand was able to sell over 7,000 units. That is compared to your 111. Now looking at their keyword strategy, this right here is what's driving the difference. You see they're organically indexing for way more keywords than you guys. 4,400 versus your 400, and that means more chances for them of ranking for key search terms. On top of that, they're supporting it with 3,000 paid keywords, giving them even more visibility. So this is why their sales are higher. Now, of course, this is not the ratio we want. The goal is to get more sales without overspending, but we can help you close the gap here by running a keyword gap analysis. So that's where we identify our top 10 competitors and integrate their high converting keywords into your own listing. And speaking of keywords, we can share this keyword export here for free if you book a quick call with us today. Moving on to your product detail page, so the title and bullet points are the best areas for keyword indexing, and you can still maximize this as the title can have 200 characters and each bullet can have 250 to 500. And make sure that you update them from time to time as SEO is not set and forget. Your main image here has a white background, which is good, but there are only three images. So you're still missing your lifestyle image showing us the product in use, the demographic photo showing us your customer avatar, ideally smiling at the camera, as they're proven to boost conversions on Amazon. And you can also add videos here, as videos help with the listing's credibility. Now, your A plus content could be the deciding factor that makes buyers choose your product, except you guys are missing it. So you can make this more engaging by adding visuals and formatting like this. So now on Amazon, large images convert better and you can use up to 7 modules like a carousel or image and text overlay. You can incorporate 500 to 1,000 words of copy to index more, and there is even text behind the images, and you can include misspellings and Spanish terms there. There's a product grid module for easy comparison, and a brand story to increase your brand awareness, and a carousel to showcase your other products, with clickable links to increase your average order value. But yeah, those are just a few of the many things we can do for your brand. If you want to know more, you can book a free consultation with us using the book a call button at the end of this video. You'll speak with an Amazon expert, learn more about our services, and get a personalized recommendation based on your goals and budget. My Amazon Guy is a full service Amazon agency managing all pillars of Amazon. So whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data backed strategies that deliver real results. Thanks for watching and have a good one.